question 5.4, given the identity cos x plus y multiplied by cos x minus y is equals to 1 minus sine squared x minus sine squared y. 5.4.1, prove the identity. So as you can see, I got my left hand side and my right hand side here, and as you can see on the left hand side, it looks like a whole bunch of compound formula which we need to expand. So let's go ahead and expand it, and let's start off. Let's basically start off on the left hand side. So firstly, we will have cos x cos y minus sin x sin y multiplied, so put this in brackets, this would be multiplied by cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So after we do that, we can actually FOIL these two brackets, and we end up, and this is difference of two squares, so we end up with cos squared x multiplied by cos squared y minus sine squared x sine squared y. But now what we need to do is, as you can see on the right hand side, we have a 1 there, but we do have sine squared x minus sine squared y. So this part here looks like we are going to remain, or it looks like it's going to remain as is. So to be able to get rid of the cos squared x cos squared y, let's use our identity where cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. So here, this instance here, 1 minus sine squared x into 1 minus sine squared y minus sine squared x multiplied by sine squared y. So in doing so, what we can do from there is now we can FOIL these two brackets out. So once we FOIL these two out, we end up with 1 plus sine squared x sine squared y minus sine squared x sine squared x sine squared y, and we left with the last part, which was what we have, minus sine squared x sine squared y. So as you can see, the parts that we wanted to disappear actually go away now, so this cancels out with that, and therefore we left with 1 minus sine squared x minus sine squared y. And we can therefore say, therefore left hand side is equals to the right hand side.